Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I am your dietitian. So guys, I have come up with the part 2 of home recipes for kids. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 2 more recipes which you can prepare at home. People who haven't watched my home recipes for kids part 1, the link is given in the description box below. So, the first recipe which we are going to prepare are crust cookies. In my previous video, you have seen the pizza pocket. So, in that you have seen that the crust was left over. So, using those leftover crust, the crust cookies can be made. So, let's understand the preparation. Firstly, the ingredients required are bread crust, milk and sugar. If you don't have the leftover crust, just cut the crust off the bread and keep it aside. The crust has to be cut into pieces. Add the desired amount of milk and sugar and make it as a dough form. Now, take small portions of the dough, flatten it, take a pan, add some oil and put those flattened balls into the oil. Cook these until it turns into golden brown color. So the tasty, yummy and delicious crust cookies are ready. Give it to your kids. Let them enjoy with mayonnaise or sauce. So coming to the health benefits of this recipe, the bread crust contains more amount of nutrients when compared to the bread itself. The bread crust is usually rich in antioxidants and the milk which we have used contains good amount of calcium and protein for kids. The next recipe is peanut Chikki Laddoo. Most of the mothers prepare it and is a very easy procedure and I am using a different ingredient to make it. The ingredients used are 1 cup of peanuts and 1 cup of brown sugar. Take a pan, add 1 cup of peanuts into it, roast it until the skin peels off and keep it aside. Now, in the same pan, add 1 cup of sugar and little 2 to 3 teaspoons of water and bring it to boil. Make sure that the sugar dissolves completely. Wait until it gets caramelized and bring it to good boil. Once it is caramelized, make sure that the sugar forms a soft ball. After peeling the skin of groundnut, add it into the caramelized sugar syrup and mix it properly. Once it is mixed properly, roll it into a ball form and your healthy, tasty and yummy peanut Chikki Laddoo is ready. The health benefits of peanut Chikki Laddoo. The peanut which we have used contains good fats. Those are healthy fats. It is rich in protein and fiber. Brown sugar is more or less equal to white sugar, but it contains more minerals when compared to the white sugar. So guys, I hope you are finding these recipes helpful, and if you have some more interesting recipes in your mind, please comment in the comment box below. If you are liking my video, hit a thumbs up button below, share it with your loved ones and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Apoorva Dietitian. So guys, this is Apoorva signing off for the day. Let's meet next Wednesday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Bye-bye.